What's up, folks? Okay, hey, bro, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. You look at me, and I look at you. Okay, so, bro, are you ready? Are you ready? I repeat it again. Is everybody with me so far? Okay? Let's go! Okay, so number one, today we're gonna explain something. May everybody need it, but pay close attention for all what I'm about to say now, because it is a kind of thing which is really important for you, maybe for you. Alright? Okay, here we go. Number one, the reason why some of people they give up because they didn't know what they need exactly in their life, and that's the reason why today I'm gonna explain it to you. Don't give up. Don't give up. I'm talking to you. Don't give up. If you want to give up, you're never ever gonna be successful. That is the biggest problem. You wanna give up. Don't give up. Number one, don't say I can't do it. Most of people are talking about kind of thing which is I don't want to do it, I can't do it. Oh my gosh, what a stupid to do it, man. What is that? Stop saying that. It is so bad. Okay, I want to with me, man. I'm talking to you. I don't want to with me. Okay, if you are with me, comment below on the section below. Let's go! Number two. Yeah, we are now on the number two. Here is the number two. It's too much. It's too much. Don't talk about I cannot feel like that because it is so bad, man. You know what I'm hearing now? It is so bad. Stop doing it. If you want to moving away from get out of the box and get away, you start right here. Look at me, man, talking to you. You start right here, right now. For example, look this. You have to summarize this book today. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, you have to finish the summarize of this book. Okay, and you say, oh my gosh, it's too much, man. How can I doing it? Come on, are you lazy? Are you lazy, man? Stop doing it. It's so bad. 400 page? You cannot finish it? 400 page? Do it right now. Right now. I'm talking to you right now. Do it. Number three. It's too hard. It's too hard. You know what happened in your brain on the time when you're talking about it's too hard? Your mind sore. It's too hard. Because you don't want to do it. Do it. Try it. And repeat it again and again and again and again. And then, you know what? You can do it. If you need it so much, you can do it. Talking to you. I know you folks. You can do it. Okay, last one. Are you listening to me? Talking to you. Are you listening to me? This is the last one. The last one is I'm too tired. You know when you come from in your 9 to 5 job, you know what happened? You know what you do? Oh my gosh. I'm too tired. I'm too tired. Come on. What next? You need easy way? You need that kind of easy way? I'm talking to you. If you want to move away, you want to fly away, board to board, to attract all your success, the meaning of your success, you have to doing something too hard, too much, and try so much. Is everybody with me so far?